free chef recipes at chefdepot.com.
Hello, Chef here. I wanted to show you a special gift set that came in from Global. This is another one of these awesome exclusives. And in the box, we got two knives that are some of the essentials. A lot of chefs are really loving these. So we got a G78, which is about an 8-inch fluted or Granton edge, little air pockets there. Chef knife, perfectly balanced, love it. As well as the smaller one, which is a G46. So yeah, you get the two of these at the sponsor right there, and for a limited time they're only 99 bucks. You can't beat it. This knife's worth 150 retail. This knife's worth 45 retail. So 99 bucks, free shipping on your order, Global. I really like it. Super high quality. Get into the good stuff here and get the cutting edge that remains. Sponsor, chefdepot.com. Have a beautiful day. Visit the sponsor. End-grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.